Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this email and password combination is incorrect issue on your Spotify. So guys, if you are trying to log in your Spotify account but you are facing this issue and you are unable to log in your account, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you log in your account very easily. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply open your App Store and search here for Spotify. So guys, simply search for Spotify, and after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of Spotify app on your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply reset the password of your Spotify account for one time. So guys, for that open any browser and then search here for Spotify password reset. So I simply search for this, and then you have to simply open this first link which says Spotify password reset, and now you have to simply enter your email address or username, and after this send the link to this email. So guys, you have to simply do this, and after this open the link on your email, and after this reset the password of your Spotify account via link which is sent to your email address. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, change your internet connection and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to Spotify help center, and you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Spotify support team. So guys, after this they will review your account, and if you have not made any violations, then you will be able to reset the password, or you can log in your account very easily. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.